What's up, everybody? Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Grab a seat, grab some popcorn. We are checking out one beautiful show, 1966 Nova 2. This thing is absolutely over the top. Fully built 383 stroker. Let's just start with that, with an overdrive transmission, air conditioning, all custom inside, all your hoses, belts, everything has been gone through. Four-wheel disc brakes, upgraded headers. The list goes on and on and on. It's got a 9-inch Ford with a strange axle gear, mini tubbed, Mustang 2 front end, disc brakes, 700R overdrive transmission, pearl orange paint, which is amazing, power windows, air conditioning, tilt, cruise control, carbon dash gauges, billet throughout everything, 9-speaker radio. I mean, just the list goes on and on. Look at how gorgeous the stance. Just set up beautifully. Custom pinstriping throughout the whole entire car. Trunk is all custom, matches the suede inside. It's got a custom column, got a custom console, suede leather interior, air shocks. Of course, it's House of Color tangerine orange, which is heavy duty. Cowl hood. I know I'm missing a few things, but I'm going to take my time and go over this puppy. I'm going to have it all on our website, broken down so you can read it for yourself in descriptions with over 100 photos. I can't find any flaws whatsoever on this show car. It runs out great. It's truly a one of a kind. Take a look inside here. It's got shaved doors, so you got poppers in the trunk. You got a popper in the on for your doors as well. Let me give it a little gas. Sorry, that's my fault. Look at it. All suede, custom headliner, all suede. Power windows, tilt, look at the gauges, air conditioning, cruise control. Truly a treat. It has 5,896 miles since built. So in 6 years, they've driven it 6,000 miles. So it's been proven and tested. Now you're gonna go for a ride with me. Oh yeah. 700R overdrive transmission. Tight. All your gauges are working as they should. All your lights, everything is working as it should. All your glass is great, everybody. She scoots. Brakes. Amazing. Great car. straight down the road, brakes phenomenal. See if it makes any noises. It's the part I like. Nice. All right, let's see how she does from a stop. She kicks. Great car. Again, mgmclassiccars.com, located in Addison, Illinois, open Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. I have over 170 cars in the warehouse, ready for immediate delivery. We ship all over the country, bonded and insured, and offer special financing with people with good credit up to 180 months. Grab a pen, I'll give you my phone number. If you have any questions or you want to make an appointment or you want to talk about this beauty, give me a call at 773-600-0919. Again, my name is Earl. That's 773-600-0919. We have a full mechanical shop on site. We do a lot of work here. We love our classics and hot rods. If you like us on Facebook. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's a real pleasure showing everybody this beautiful car. No brainer. Treat yourself and buy this sucker. Thanks everybody for spending a few minutes with me. Have a great day. Earl.